Elefantes.
Elefantes. Main swinging. We got the elefante in the background.
I was just thinking how, like, my phone's on airplane mode right now, and no one else in the world besides you knows that I'm just swinging on a swing in Thailand looking at elephants.
That's amazing.
You're the only one. All right. Oh, are we getting back in the van? Bamboo rafting. Oh. All right, everyone, climb into the mysterious white van. Chauffeur. Might as well just suck on my neck while you're at it. Currently, her arms numb. Buzzing from caffeine. I feel so hot. That Bagu launch rooms. You just got asked for like the 4th time if we're dating.
Or it's either we're dating or we're siblings.
What? Like, like, siblings are dating? Like, what makes them think that?
I can't see anything.
The water's so sparkly. She's sinking. Oh no! Guys, we're drowning. He's so cold. Oh no! Thailand, baby. Oh no, I'm gonna fall off. Oh! Oh! Fuck it out! Yeah! Our honeymoon? Our siblings are dating. This is so beautiful and relaxing. That Bagoon goes bamboo rafting.
Look how pretty that tree is. Oh my goodness. Whee! Right in the crack.
I feel accomplished. I feel like, who needs a career when you captured a leaf?
Can you see it? It's right. It's right. Wait, where is it? It's right there. Hello, elephant.
She just reminded me that it's my birthday today. I completely
It's
forgot.
just another day. Yeah, just another day we're casually bamboo rafting through Thailand. Yeah, you're right. It's normal activity.
Seeing elephants. Last year I was in Australia. This year I'm in Thailand. Last year I was on a beach in Australia. This year I'm bamboo rafting in Thailand. Seeing elephants. South America.
Get back in! Ah! The best part about this sanctuary is that the elephants are free to roam, and they're wild elephants.
And all the men left, apparently the girls stayed, which is
yeah,
hilarious.
because they get free food. Of course, they're smart.
What do you want your house to be? The one back there where, like, when you first pull up, you're like, what the fuck, this looks abandoned, and then you get emotionally attached to it, and then you're like, oh, that's home, I don't want to leave. And I said I wanted mine to be, like, out of the bamboo, because it's like you're in the nature, and, like, yeah, you have spiders in your room, but they're friends. They're your friends. So, Australia.
Yeah.
So you want to live in the tent again?
Back. Yeah, actually I would. It is so impressive. The balance, the quickness, the strength. Bamboo bridge. Bro. No hands.
Holy fuck!
Oh shit! Oh fuck, oh fuck! Wow.
Rapids.
You okay? Yeah! Skillful, it's crazy. Yeah, but he has a tire. How? Okay, okay. That's so interesting.
Let me at her. I have to pee. Do you have to pee?
I have to pee.
Okay. Just statistic. Okay. Some freaking local pad thai. Yo.
That's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I know the bananas are for the elephants, but is that for us?
I mean, you got a pretty long trunk, don't you?
Which one?
That's honestly the best birthday cake ever.
I'm technically still 23 and 24 at the same time. Are you gonna eat all of that? Why?
Asian elephant. African elephant on the shoulder, curve like mountain.
He's doing tricks.
So much better.
He's searching.
Get in there.
Me too, man. I love some sugar cane and. He's a bit unstable. All right, where are we? Thailand. Wait, fuck, Chiang Mai. All right. How are we feeling out of 10? Out of 10?
Amazing!
Woohoo!
I feel in love with this grandmother.
Yeah, she's 50 years old. Sugar
milk?
mommy.
Shoot, I'm older than her.
Beautiful. The baby. Baby. What are you doing? We got the banana! We got a banana! Oh my goodness! Look at you!
Pick up new tourists and keep walking again. Live in Thailand. Yeah, have our own like the old tradition, old culture, different from Thai. We use carrot in this mountain. High school, yeah, sponsor like a sponsor, yeah.
That is a beautiful man inside. Wow. Wow. This is very unstable.